Hey guys, what's going on? It's Carlo again from Samurai Media. Welcome to another episode of Samurai TV. And guess who's back with a brand new mod? That's right, the last couple of videos have been bags, and today Brandon's beautiful Evo 7 is now on bags. So let's get into it. So this really neat air suspension setup is by Airlin. It's got hard lines all around the back here. It's really nicely set up with a 15-litre tank and dual compressors. So this air suspension setup by Airlin actually comes with a remote control where you can control it from each corner of the car, or you can alternatively air it up or down from the front or the back, or you've got 3 different presets where you can actually choose your ride height. So whether you want to air all the way down just to look cool in front of your friends, or you want to drive at a really nice drive height, or if you're going to go over some really big speed bumps, you can air it up all the way so you can make it over those really hard speed bumps. Pretty cool. So as I mentioned before, there are 3 different settings that you can actually have on these airbag suspension setup. So right here we have the highest setting to get over those speed bumps. As we lower it down, you've got your lower setting so you can drive around and still kind of make it, you know, a little bit more practical. And then last but not least, you have it all the way aired out, as you can see here, and that just looks absolutely amazing. I mean, if you want to, you know, impress all the chica babes at the shopping center, then yeah, this is it. This is the setting to be on. So guys, that pretty much concludes our episode for today. Thank you so much for watching our episode on Brandon's beautiful Evo 7 that is now bagged. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you guys get notified every time we put out more content. And I will see you guys in the next episode. All right, far out. All this talk about bags, I want to get bags.